Palms, e tu whānau 2025, nau mai, haere mai. Salam alaikum, malo, tēnā kia orana, tēnā tātou katoa.
Hut! 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 Hut!
The purpose of the Palms Symposium is to bring our young people together to get to know each other, most importantly to build those sorts of relationships.
We don't see much of this at home, so that's exciting, something new. Just to be in a room full of people that are different to us, it's nice because we're surrounded by people too, and we want to be the people that welcomes the people.
We have a mini expo of different types of employments and careers they can go into, so they're having a great time. And it just sparks the idea in their mind, oh, I could do that, oh, that looks interesting. You know, and even if we just build that interest and then they go back and start looking into it.
There was a lot that I found interesting, but I think the one that stood out to me the most was engineering and welding.
My favourite thing being a rangatahi is like becoming a leader for the younger generations. Also like expressing my own values or like my own knowledge that has been passed down to me from the previous tiras, and I can just pass it down to the next generations.
All of these people behind me, some of them have came here just 7 to 8 months ago. And look at this beautiful opportunity for them to be able to come to this Palms camp and get to learn more about the Maori culture, heritage, and the rangatahi and how important it is and the significance it holds to Aotearoa New Zealand and our people.
Everyone has been truly so supportive and understanding and very responsive to questions that we have when we're curious about certain things in our culture. So it's been a very, very supportive and an inclusive environment.
For me, it's a privilege to be able to sit and listen to these rangatahi speak their truths, standing in their own mana, in their rangatiratanga, ahakoa te whakapapa, ahakoa te kāhui, te ahure o te tangata, and just being able to be true.
I reckon this place is a safe place. It's a place filled with aroha and love. Everyone takes care of each other, pahitanga.
What are your goals to get out of this wānanga?
Just to take all the knowledge that they give to us and take it back to my community and share with my rangatahi and my mātua, my kaumātua, and also just to have fun and make heaps of friends.
Palms 2025.